Welcome to AI Controller. Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer science fiction. It's revolutionizing the way we work, learn, and live. But with so many AI tools available, it can be overwhelming to know where to begin. This video unveils 5 hidden gems in the world of AI, designed to supercharge your productivity, ignite your creativity, and even enhance your well-being. Number 1. AI-powered storytelling. Struggling with writer's block? Shortly AI is your secret weapon. This AI writing assistant goes beyond grammar checks. It can spark your imagination by generating creative story ideas, crafting character profiles, and even weaving captivating plot twists. Imagine a future free from creative roadblocks. AI empowers you to overcome hurdles and unleash your inner storyteller. Number 2. Personalized music instruction. Always dreamed of mastering an instrument but lacked the time? Musician leverages AI to tailor music lessons to your skill level and musical preferences. Learn at your own pace and receive real-time feedback from your AI instructor. This is music education reimagined. AI personalizes the learning experience, making it both easier and more enjoyable to acquire a new musical skill. Number 3. Gamified habit formation. Ready to break bad habits or cultivate positive ones? Look no further than Habitica. This innovative app uses AI to gamify habit formation, making it engaging and fun. Set goals, track your progress, and earn rewards as you achieve them. AI provides personalized encouragement and accountability, helping you move beyond willpower alone. Number 4. Holistic sleep optimization. Seeking a deeper understanding of your sleep health? Dream offers a more comprehensive approach than basic sleep trackers. This AI-powered app analyzes your sleep cycles, brainwaves, and even ambient noise using sophisticated algorithms. It then delivers personalized insights and recommendations to optimize your sleep environment and improve sleep quality. Dream goes beyond mere sleep tracking, providing a holistic approach to improving your well-being. Number 5. AI-driven market research. Attention entrepreneurs and small business owners. Skyrise.ai is here to empower you. This AI tool analyzes vast amounts of online data and consumer trends, helping you identify potential customers, understand their needs, and develop targeted marketing strategies. Eliminate guesswork. AI equips you with valuable market research insights, giving you a competitive edge and maximizing your business potential. By harnessing the power of AI, you can unlock a world of possibilities in 2024. Let these 5 tools be your guide to a more productive, creative, and fulfilling life. For more AI hacks and tools to boost your life, subscribe for new videos every week. Don't miss out on more amazing AI discoveries. Like this video and subscribe for the latest tech hacks.